With its advanced features and functionalities, our stretcher provides utmost convenience for both patients and healthcare professionals. One of the key features of this stretcher is the silent central control casters, which allow for smooth and noiseless movement. This ensures a peaceful environment for patients, promoting their recovery and well-being. Additionally, the height-adjustable bed function enables healthcare providers to easily position the patient at a suitable height for examination or treatment, reducing strain on their backs. The fifth central wheel provides enhanced maneuverability, allowing for easy straight-line movement and navigation through narrow spaces. The rotating side rails with dual safety locks ensure the patient's security during transportation, preventing any accidental falls or injuries. Moreover, the stretcher is equipped with the backrest adjustment function, enabling patients to find a comfortable position while being transported. The inclusion of an infusion stand and an oxygen cylinder holder further enhances the trolley's functionality, ensuring the seamless administration of fluids and oxygen therapy.